Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm having a plant disaster at the moment and I want your advice because I'm pretty sure that the hive mind of YouTube knows a lot more about these plants than I do. This is a Sago palm or cycas revoluta. It's very spiky and it should also be very green like this one. Now bear in mind that both these plants have been treated in almost identical ways. I've had them both for 12 months. Right, look at this one. Look at the colour of it. Can you see? It's going yellow, it's going lime green, it's going anemic. It doesn't look very healthy at all. Don't think it's dead just yet, but it's nowhere near as healthy looking as this one is. Let me tell you what I have done already. Since I got these plants 12 months ago, last summer they were out here in the gravel garden in the sunlight where it's warm and dry. That one, the green one, has always been in the terracotta pot. This one is in a plastic pot which has got lots of drainage holes which I've made in it. Last summer that was submerged in the ground, so it looked like it was planted in the ground, but in actual fact it was in a plastic pot with lots of great drainage. When I lifted that out of the ground at the back end of last year in the autumn time to move it to the garage, it looked as green as that one. So they both went into the garage looking lovely and healthy, and in the garage neither of them went below zero, and they both had plant lights above them for the whole of the winter. Then in the springtime, when I was sure that there was no risk of any frost, I brought them both out of the garage. That one has remained green. This one, in the course of the last 3 or 4 months, has gone more and more anemic looking. Is it too much water? Is it not enough water? Is it not good enough drainage? Is it not good enough feed? Is it not enough light? What do you think? So comment below and I will read all your comments and put a course of action in place. I'm happy to plant it in the ground if you think that's what's required. I'm happy to repot it in a bigger pot with fresh compost. I just don't know what to do. A lime green Sago palm. So help me solve my Sago saga. Give me some advice and I'll do it. I will put a link to the follow-up video, what I actually do, in the top left hand corner, just kind of here, and then 6 months down the line we'll see if that course of action has worked, and I'll put another follow-up video again somewhere just here. So we'll see if we can bring that cycas revoluta back to life. Do I prune it? Do I water it? Do I feed it? Do I repot it? Do I plant it? Let me know what you think in the comments below this video, and thank you in advance for any help you can give me. See you soon.